Hey tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the top camera tips for the new iPhone 15 that you absolutely need to know. If you want to take your smartphone photography to the next level, stick around. First off, let's talk about the new ultra-wide sensor. This baby is perfect for landscape shots and fits so much more into your frame. Pro tip: use the ultra-wide in well-lit environments to get the sharpest pics. Next up, night mode. The iPhone 15 has killer low-light capabilities. For stunning night shots, hold your phone steady or use a tripod. And don't forget to experiment with longer exposure times. Trust me, the results will blow your mind. Now, if you're into portraits, the new depth control feature is a game changer. You can adjust the bokeh effect after you've taken the shot. Just go into edit mode and slide the depth control bar to find that sweet spot. Your portraits are gonna look professional AF. Let's not forget about ProRAW. If you're serious about photography, this feature gives you total control over your images. Shoot in ProRAW and tweak the exposure, color, and white balance to your heart's content. Quick tip for video lovers: use the new cinematic mode. It automatically adds depth of field and focuses transitions, making your videos look super polished. Great for vlogging or creating content for your socials. And lastly, don't sleep on the built-in photo editing tools. They've been upgraded with tons of new features. Adjust lighting, add filters, and even remove unwanted objects with just a few taps. No need for third-party apps anymore. Alright, that's it for today's iPhone 15 camera tips. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Tech Fantasy Hub for more awesome tech updates. Catch you in the next one.